Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for a second time tonight. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. And right now, the reason why I got you guys back on the tube tonight is because I want to show you how I am repurposing this. This is a home decor piece that I made last year sometime, and it was I guess it was maybe like 2.5 feet tall. A nice height for a mirrored vase or vase, floor vase. And I put my branches in here, my lit up branches. Yeah. So, but I am repurposing half of this mirrored box for a project that I told you that I had prior to this video. And it's for a floral mirrored box with Christmas decorations on it. You know, a Christmas theme. And I showed you in the haul all the decorations that I wanted to use. Might not use all of them, but to make it look as Christmassy as possible for her, I'm going to hook it up. She wants Christmas, I'm going to give her Christmas. I might even throw a few of these little, these smaller ornaments on there, you know? So these are the mirrors that I took off of my centerpiece. Of my mirrored floor vase. So, and I have 8 of them. I reinforced it as best I could at that time. And here go the other pieces. So yeah, and I'm going to use these. Like I said, I needed 8 pieces. So I already have these 3 pieces together. These are the sides of the box. And as soon as I break these apart, these will be the ends of the box. And underneath the bottom, I'm just going to use this right here. The styrofoam poster board. That over there. And this right here, I need to, so I'm just going to slice this. Yep. So I can do like that. Break them apart. I'm going to glue. Turn it this way. Hey guys. During this part of the video, I decided to speed it up a little bit because it had become a little tedious putting these mirror pieces together. So I hope you guys are enjoying it so far, and stick around with me guys and see how it comes out in the end. And thank you for watching. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead, I finished gluing the box. Now I have portioned out or sketched out the bottom of the box. And I told you I was going to use this styrofoam poster board for that. And I have my trusty blade with me. So I'm going to cut this out. Bring it down a little bit more. And I'm going to cut this out. I'm going to start off here. Trying to follow the line as best I can. That was easy enough. Now just trim it down for the perfect fit. just need to take this little smidgen off the side here, off the end, and I hope it doesn't mess up. Woo! Clean and smooth. Hope I can get it in here the same way. Uh-oh. Push it in place. Push it down. And there it is. Oh, hold on. Let me set it up. This is what the inside looks like. And this is what the bottom looks like. Just have to clean that up a little bit and glue it. Glue the inside. I always glue the inside and the outside. So I'm going to glue the outside of it first. Well, I never noticed before, but this hot glue gun is smoking. You hear me? Smoking. Let me get another glue stick. Oh, and the glue that I'm using on this is the Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue Sticks. Put another one in. Okay. Do this side. All right. Wait for this to dry. Now flip it over and glue it from the inside. Be right back. Okay, guys, before I flip this over, I have these pads to put on the bottom so that the box is not sitting flat onto the surface of the table. And also, this is for if anything spills, this won't get ruined. So I always put these on the bottom. Okay, that didn't come off good. There we go. Okay, and because this is mirror and it's a little heavy, when I turn it over, the weight of the mirror will make these stickers adhere better. Okay, alright guys, I'm going to glue the inside down and I'll be right back. Alright everyone, the next thing I'm going to do is put the floral foam inside this box, and I have 2 of these, and actually there are 4. You can see the lines. There's 4 pieces of foam inside each one. Let me open this. And I probably could have just left this in the wrapper, but no, I don't want to do that because I want to put these in 2 by 2s, just like that. This is the kind of floral foam that when you have real flowers and you wet these. All right. Trying to see if this is going to spread it out a little bit more for me. Yep, just like this. All right, can you guys see how that is on the inside? What I'm going to do is glue these pieces together. Then I'm going to glue it straight down on the bottom of this box, and I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, I lost my lighting here, my overhead lighting, but that's okay. I have all my pieces glued together. Now I'm going to glue them down on the bottom. I hope this glue's good and tight, because I'm going to put enough glue on here for it too. I think that might be good. You can see all that on there. Put it in nice and even. Alright guys, so I'll let this dry. Before I start putting the stuff on it, I need it to be nice and stiff. And once that's together, I'll be right back. But I'm going to give you a 360 view. That's the bottom. The bottom. The sides. The sides. Let's see how I glued the sides together. And this is what the inside looks like. So when I come back, guys, we'll be filling it in, putting the flowers in, putting all the ornaments in, the fun part. And if you guys like what I've done so far and showing you how I make this mirrored centerpiece box, floral box, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit that thumbs up for a like, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will see it. So hang tight, guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I am back, and I have picked out a bunch of flowers to go into this centerpiece vase. All right, and I have a velvety white, and I have metallic gold glitter poinsettias. And this is cute because these poinsettias, some of them have gold glitter on the tips. I thought that was, you know, nice. And as you can see, they're a velour or a velvety type of material on these flowers. And the gold, ooh, that look pretty close up. But yeah, guys, so I'm going to prepare these and cut them down, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to place them. Okay, guys, I went on ahead and I went and put all of the arrangement together. I'm sorry I couldn't wait to do it with you guys, but I sat here running my mouth, talking, and I wound up putting the whole thing together. Before I knew it, I was done. And this is how it turned out. the snowman. There's the sleigh with the gifts on it. And we have a tree up here, a candy cane in the midst of the decorations here. Candy cane on the side. We have the nutcracker over here and a reindeer. And so guys, what do you think? I have gold poinsettias, which I had showed you already, and the white ones. So should I put lights on it, guys? The, what do you call those lights? The fairy lights? Should I drape those throughout it or just leave it like it is? Because you know I like to put lights on everything. But let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. There we go. Share this video. Like this video with that thumbs up. Also, like I said, comment below. Let me know what you think about this centerpiece. This mirror centerpiece. And this is the bottom again. And there we go. All I have to do is shiny it up. And it's ready for her. Okay, guys. Well, this is it. Like I said, like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Comment below. Share. Let somebody else see how this mirrored floral Christmas box centerpiece turned out. Alright, guys. And I guess I will be seeing you on the next video. You have a good night, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time of the day it is for you. And I'll see you on the next video, guys. Alright, bye-bye. And thank you for watching.